Joe Boehm of Better Homes and Gardens magazine is lending his design skills to the project, and he and I walked through it back then to start the ball rolling.
Well, you know, we've been talking to Paul at Merillat about the cabinets and everything, and we're seeing an area here as you come through the door, place to drop stuff off, and then our whole cooking zone and our island. And then along this wall here, we're talking about doing a breakfast beverage bar.
At that point, the details were all just pictures from catalogs.
But here is the door style that we're talking about. For the cabinets all the way around the wall. And then we'll do the same style but without the bead board on the island. So a little bit simpler.
And preliminary elevation drawings of the space.
So, and then you see here how he's got bead board drawn back there. So we're thinking about the cabinets being sort of free, and then the bead board would be Kona finish.
But now that the cabinets have arrived, it's starting to take shape in 3 dimensions. The tricky part is that there are so many details and so many pieces, the crew has their hands full just keeping everything straight.
That's 1384.
The 13. So there's a wider one. What is this one here, Mark? By the light.
What's that?
I bet that's them, Mark, because there were 2 of them.
It probably is.
What are y'all working on now, the area over there?
Yeah,
That
the
drop zone.
I got you.
CSK.
CSK.
Trying to get the window seat figured out.
That's gonna be pretty cool.
Yes,
Now, that section right there, though, is that the window seat? You just don't have it up on, you gotta put it up on. I got you.
On that toe kick.
I got
It's
you.
gonna be the toe kick part. Raise
That'll be
it
great.
up.
Well, y'all had a good day yesterday. Heck, you got a lot of the cabinets in. Once you got in the groove and got oriented on the book. Matter of fact, you guys must have some good eyesight. I can't read any of that.
Yeah, once you figure out what all those abbreviations are for, it kind of makes a little better sense.
That looks awesome. It's going to be a fantastic kitchen, and of course, you know, it's a very large room, and like any large room that you put a lot of cabinets in, it starts shrinking down a little bit, but the Merillat cabinets are going to be awesome once we get the countertop, all of the trim pieces, the windows trimmed out and painted. It's going to be fantastic. There's already a lot of cabinets that have been installed. There's a heck of a lot more to go.